Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about Math.asinh. So what it does, it returns the hyperbolic value of arcsine of a number, that is Math.assign x equals assign x, the unique y that sine y equals x. So what we're gonna do, make an example of that and log it on a console with math dot a sin h and 1. So the expected output is 0.8813 something. Yeah. The other we can one do more is math dot sine h with I will put 0, which is will be so the geo, and let me do one more math dot sine -1, and answer will be minus 0.881738. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys next time.